5 baby steps to start making money with Bitcoin. Mining versus investing in Bitcoin. One of the most popular cryptocurrency, Bitcoin has become a phenomenon, and now it's attracting a whole new generation of entrepreneurs to build companies around the technology. Bitcoin economy. Bitcoin, our new type of currency that's gaining traction across the globe as people search for a more secure way to make online transactions. Although the Bitcoin economy is growing at an exponential rate, there's still much to learn about the technology. This video is designed to provide you with a basic understanding of Bitcoin and its potential applications. In the last decade, we have witnessed a paradigm shift in the way people interact with money. The traditional notion of bank and fiat currency is no longer an adequate medium for conducting transactions online. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies have emerged as an alternative. Moreover, I'll walk you through the basics of Bitcoins, including how to buy and sell Bitcoins, how to store Bitcoin securely, and how to get started investing in Bitcoin and making money with this kind of cryptocurrencies. Is Bitcoin legal? It's not that hard, and it's completely legal. There are some countries in the world that ban Bitcoin, which are Algeria, Bangladesh, Egypt, Iraq, Indonesia, but many countries allow the trading of Bitcoins. Let's look at how it works. But before that, make sure to subscribe to my Technical Solution channel and press the bell icon for future updates. Step 1. Find an exchange. Nowadays, there are many Bitcoin exchanges available on the market, but not all of them are legit. So, how to choose the best one? Here are 7 tips to start with an exchange company. Look for an exchange with a high level of trustworthiness. Check if the exchange has a history of providing excellent customer service. Compare the fees and rates offered by various exchanges. Don't forget to check if the exchange offers multiple payment methods. Choose an exchange that is easy to use. Make sure the exchange is registered with the authorities and regulated by them. Ask around to find out which exchange is trusted by other people. Step 2. Register your account. After finalizing the exchange, it's time to create your account on that exchange and verify it. Step 3. Buy Bitcoins. You can buy as much as your pocket allows you. The process is very simple. Once you are set up, all you need to do is send money to an account on the exchange. Once the transaction is completed, you'll receive the equivalent in Bitcoins. For instance, you can buy Bitcoins in fractions instead of full. The easiest way to buy Bitcoins is through Coinbase. On Coinbase, you enter how much you want to buy and it tells you the price of Bitcoins at the moment. You can choose to buy Bitcoins with your debit card, PayPal account, or bank account. Step 4. Sell the Bitcoins. Now that you have Bitcoins, you can sell and earn profit. You can sell your Bitcoins for cash, but if you're looking to make a living off it, you'll want to avoid this. Selling Bitcoins to someone else is like selling them to a retailer, except you don't have to deal with the retailer's fees. A good place to sell your Bitcoin is at an online marketplace. A large number of buyers means you'll have the opportunity to sell it faster. Step 5. Keep investing. Once you have invested in Bitcoin, you'll want to keep investing in it. Some exchanges have different tiers, and if you invest in a tier that allows you to purchase Bitcoin for less, you'll be able to make money even faster. The key is to keep reinvesting and keep buying. Along the way, keep learning for new trends and latest technologies in the industry. Wait, there's something left for you. Now that you have Bitcoin exchange account, you need to wait for the price of Bitcoin to increase. It takes time for the market to respond to changes in supply and demand. The higher the price, the more you can make. You can use this process to make a living with Bitcoin. What makes Bitcoin a perfect store of value? Its decentralized nature means no single individual or government controls it. No one can steal it from you. Its open source code makes it transparent and verifiable. No one can censor transaction or take them away from you. Bitcoin has been around since 2009, but recently its popularity has begun to grow. At the moment, it is the most popular cryptocurrency after the US dollar, and through Bitcoin mining. Bitcoin mining is currently the most profitable way to earn money with cryptocurrency, but it's a slow, time-consuming process. To start mining, you'll need specialized hardware and software, and the more computing power you have, the more profit you can make. The mining process is really just math. It's done in a very complex way. But in order to keep your computer running smoothly while calculating numbers, it needs a lot of energy. While the other computer miners generates Bitcoins in a very little amount, it's like playing a video game, but instead of earning points, you'll get paid in cryptocurrency. Mining versus investing. Which one is for you? In my opinion, if you want to get rich quickly, then investing is the way to go. But if you want to make money while you sleep, then mining Bitcoins is the way to go. Remember that Bitcoin mining is a highly competitive market. The more miners you have, the more hash rate, the speed at which they are processing transactions you have. More hash rate means higher profitability. Conclusion. In conclusion, there is a risk in investing in the cryptocurrency market. As a result, it is important to conduct thorough research before diving into any investment. The first step is to decide if this investment opportunity is right for you. Secondly, determine if you have what it takes to manage the risk associated with the investment in Bitcoins. Lastly, build a portfolio of investments and select the best investment strategy that fits your situation. This could mean selecting only one type of crypto investment like BTC or ETH, diversifying your crypto holding across several currencies, or a mix of both. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.